Is it today? Saturday? So
Today is Saturday.
Day four of this trip.
Day 4.
Moonshine. It's almost 5 o'clock. We've been at it all day, and we still have to get some daiquiris, I guess, and get some dinner at some point after, and go back to the cabin and have some of that and some of whatever else everybody else is holding, and get some s'mores too. Yeah, before we drive back tomorrow. Yeah.
Who's making the fire?
We got a long night. Huh?
Who's starting the fire?
Whoever drinks less.
We gotta go. Whoever drinks less.
Yeah.
Hey, the alcohol is not a fire starter. Just letting you know.
Okay, Danny.
I brought fire starters. I brought some.
Awesome.
Just gotta light them up and wait. If you don't want to wait, then throw some of that shit in.
And seeing as how we don't have any neighbors, maybe at midnight we'll do some cold starts.
Not a bad idea.
Subscribe, like, and comment, and share.
Day 4. Day 4. This is what happens when you go testing the moonshine and whiskey.
The next day.
Morning. Last day. See the moon up there? I don't know if you can tell, but the car's out here. It's the last morning, and we had some good times last night. Went to sleep a little bit late. We gotta get going here in a little bit. So, what do? You have fun. You get up and you gotta go. And nobody's awake yet. What do you think? Let's wake everybody else up. Just waiting on Rob. He got like 12 hours of sleep. He's not ready yet.
It's for you.
Okay.
We partied. We slept like 6.
Her cards though, so I can give them out to my customers.
No, Rob.
Rob must have had a freaky Saturday.
We got a hotel.
Hotel, no tell.
Oh, but damn, Rob, you got like 12 hours of sleep. Let's go.
I know, everybody here was drinking last night.
That's right.
Get out of the car.
That's right. You can put that in the video when you're waiting on the last guy to arrive. That's what you do.
Yep. The guy that got the 12 hours of sleep.
Yeah.
Unless he got a freaky Saturday night.
Hotel. You know.
So sadly, today's our day to go home.
Yay. Not really.
We need a vacation for the vacation.
Yeah, we need an extra day to recover. I
So,
wish we had a couple more days. Then we don't do nothing. But we had a lot of fun. It was probably one of the best times I've had on probably my life with cars and people. It was just a good time. People
was.
need to come out and do this. It's fun.
Yep.
Great area, beautiful places.
and cabin is stupid amazing. Anyway, yeah.
Got friends with cars? This is something you definitely need to do.
Yeah.
And again, like I said, you're only like, what, 30, 45 minutes, worst case scenario,
Yeah.
to the Dragon itself and all the friggin' roads that you could ever want to drive if you're a car person. So,
Where it's like, we're whooped. It's been
Yeah,
a badass weekend. When you have fun and
Yeah.
everything has been good, you're
Yep.
just like, all right.
so that's why we're doing the
We had a
closeout
good
now
time.
before the drive home, because when we drive home, we ain't gonna want to do this shit
No,
when we get
screw
home.
that. Screw that.
So,
But
We're
it
taking
was,
the scenic route too. We're going the
it
other
was
way.
fun. It was fun, and this is probably gonna become a tradition for us.
we actually have already been talking about the next one for next year. So,
This is year 2.
Yeah, this is year 2.
yep.
So why not? Let's keep it going. Next time we'll see. We might bring a whole bunch of different cars again.
We started with all Mustangs, as you can see. There's only like 2 left.
What do we got? Is it what, over 3,200 horsepower sitting out there?
Yeah. We counted it. Well, yeah, when we included Rob, we got almost 3,300 horsepower sitting outside. So
Crank horsepower.
Yeah, it's crank.
Crank.
Yeah, so we
Legitimately,
didn't
it's
go
crank.
dyno everything. No, we didn't.
For the
So.
crank lovers.
Yeah.
So,
Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video or all our videos. I don't even know how many we did, but
I don't know.
Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed all these videos. We had a lot of fun. We're gonna probably keep doing this in the near future again. Have some fun with our friends. All these different badass cars, even my GTI. So, sorry, I lost my finish.
He's like, you finish it.
see you in the next one.
Actually, Sawyer's was really good yesterday, too.
Slow down. Even more, in fact.
COVID. That is he's on the road. I think Rod's about to hit 1,200 miles. He can go full send, so we're about to see. Two miles, he can go full send, 1,200.
Ain't no wrong there right now.
It's a Supra.